Use your mobile phone to make money online with affiliate marketing. Super easy method. Let's go. Step 1, have a mobile phone, obviously. Step 2, make a TikTok account. Step 3, promote my top offer for the Make Money Online niche. Step 3, promote my offers and make big money online because they convert like crazy. Now, step 4 is record quick and easy selfie videos, just sharing your results, okay? Or just like learning. Step 4 is record easy selfie videos, just like sharing what you're learning, sharing your own advice, sharing new things that you've learned, and sharing your results, how much money you're making, the results you're having in life and stuff, and that motivates people and gets people going. And when you record that and you do like normal selfie videos, they can be like a few seconds to a minute long, and you just directly upload them to TikTok. You don't have to over edit the videos if you don't want to. Step 5 is just always at the end of your videos, or even you don't have to because you can just put it in the link in your profile page, in your bio of your profile page. You can have your link to your affiliate links, and you can promote any offer out there, any niche you want to do. But I highly recommend you do the Make Money Online niche because you can promote the Money Accelerator and earn 50% recurring commissions on all my different offers here that are high quality offers, getting better and better. And then step 6 is you can create over 10 videos or more per day doing this. And I mean like a lot of videos per day. And you're going to have videos that are extremely successful, okay? If you get a video that gets like millions of views and you're promoting an offer in that video and people want to get the offer, that's equivalent on TikTok to making $10,000 plus. And if you do it really well, that's equivalent to making over $50,000 if you get like a few million views and you're selling something. There's different niches out there. I mean, it all varies, but you can make serious money when you get videos that really take off. Step 7, you can also upload to YouTube and do YouTube Shorts. And so then you're in 2 different places getting traffic. You're getting traffic from YouTube and TikTok. Step 8, you can get even better results if you put time into editing each video to be even better. Try to cut out any fluff in the video, try to enhance the video to be even better, and optimize the video to be more entertaining. And a pro tip for step 9 is inside TikTok, when you upload these videos, you can add music. You can edit your videos inside the app as you make these selfie videos throughout the day, or just you dedicate 30 minutes in the day, each day, to make these TikToks that are giving value, sharing things you are learning, and you just make these quick TikToks, and I'm telling you right now, you will get traffic to your affiliate links, and if you're promoting good offers, you're gonna make sales. Let's go. This is a very powerful method. This can make people big results online, and if you stay consistent with it, it can be a full-time income online. It's super easy to do. And, you know, if you're willing to show your face out there, which the benefits outweigh any problems with showing your face out there, because if you do show your face, that equals even more sales for you because it equals more trust. So hopefully this helps, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.